Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your screen recorder and workspace before recording anything. Set resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth recordings. Choose a storage path with at least 500 MB free space before recording. Pick an encoding preset and set bitrate to around 20 Mbps for clear video and reasonable file sizes. Close unused apps to free CPU and RAM for stable performance. Enable system audio or microphone based on whether you need voiceover or only screen sound. Record smartly by testing settings before capturing your full session. Record a short 10-second test clip to verify audio and video quality. Check microphone levels and reduce background noise for clearer narration. Use hotkeys for start and stop to avoid mouse clicks in the recording. Close unnecessary apps to reduce dropped frames and CPU load during recording. Monitor available disk space and CPU usage while recording to prevent glitches or corrupted files. After recording, save and export thoughtfully to preserve quality and accessibility. Export final files as MP4 with H.264 codec at 10 to 20 Mbps for balance between size and quality. Trim unnecessary parts and add simple metadata before exporting for faster searches. Name files using YIMMDD title to organize and find videos easily later. Compress only if you need smaller size, aiming for under 500 MB for short tutorials. Upload backups to cloud storage and keep a local copy on an external drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.